Well, I'm an evangelist now, David. I travel over the world preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ, and I became a drug addict. I was on heroin, I was angel dust, everything, acid, and my brother, I had 4 people to die, and then I made a vow to God that I wanted to do something in his service. And God said, what shall it profit a man if he should gain the whole world and lose his own soul? So I was determined to give my life to Christ before it's too late, because I could be dead. You know, Elvis was a very good friend of mine, Buddy Holly, Jimi Hendrix, all these people, and God has spared my life. If a person see me, they can see that I am a new creature. If any man be in Christ, God made me all over again.
But are you a satisfied person now? Are you sometimes you don't get the urge to go back out and crank out some hits and?
No. I'm happy now. I've made a lot of hits, you know, in the past, but I'm happy now because I have peace of mind, that peace that passeth all understanding, and it's just peace that you can't get nowhere.